Grab some crackers, this is gonna be cheesy. Jump on board with Gonk and Moody. Just 3 legs, but that's more roomy. Amputee and a blonde on a journey. Tips and tricks that you might find handy. Like and subscribe if you're feeling friendly. Chat and stuff, and it might be witty, but I don't really know how to finish this ditty. So let's just go.
As many may know, my favourite gadget is my duster. For the floors, I use biodegradable wet wipes and sweep through this tiny amount of flooring to keep the van lovely and clean. However, the other day we were in Bath and went into Lakeland, and with my own money I bought myself a mini vacuum cleaner, and it really is tiny. I tried out the demonstration model and it seemed pretty flipping good. It's got a washable HEPA filter, it's rechargeable, cordless, lightweight, weighing only 400 grams, vacuum mode, multiple accessories, which you can see there's quite a few here, and it also blows and sucks. I'm sorry if I seem a bit overexcited by this little thing, but I genuinely like things that clean, and I've got a few little nooks and crannies that my wet wipe and my duster don't quite get into, so this could be a game changer. Me. I'm going to try and get in some of our mucky crevices now, and it's got this little tool with it which just jams in there and you're good to go. Success! Marvellous. Okay, let's see what it sucked up. Ooh. Quite a lot actually, isn't it? A lot of dirt and dust. So obviously we've got the cereal that we did before, but loads of dirt and dust I didn't really realise was there. Obviously we keep an Afghan hound as well, and that even cleared up after that little darling. So that's very useful. Look at all of our dirt. That's genuinely amazing, bearing in mind that we did the old serial test as just a test. The rest of it, you've seen all of what we've done in real time. So I'm embarrassed to say how much dust and crumbled up mud we've got in this van. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Since buying ours in Lakeland, we now realise that they sell them on Amazon. So Ton has added it to our Amazon shop, which you'll find a link to somewhere in our channel. And yeah, it's brilliant. And it takes up no space at all. So ideal for a camper van. Hee hee.